Today is September the 22nd, 2009, and I've just walked into the store, and it's working. They got another load from the trailer, and Chris is helping, and the counter has been put together. See, you got some buggies. He's really done a good job on putting this counter together. Just some cases. This is a beautiful case right here that he'll be using. As you walk in the door. Anyway, there's a lot to be done still before opening day.